Presenting boAt Stone 200 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This speaker is dust resistant, waterproof and can withstand rain or shower from any angle and even an accidental fall in water. It complies to the stringent IPX5 certification and is suited for an outdoor lifestyle. With Bluetooth 4.1, these speakers will drain lesser battery of your devices while also providing up to 10 hours of playback. With its rugged design and light weight of 322 grams, this speaker also provides an output of 3 watt. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. The boAt Stone 200 can be bought on Amazon through card or cash on delivery or online payment.